Ubuntu is a unique initiative started by us to bring all women entrepreneurs on a single platform. It began some years back when I was posted as Additional Chief Secretary Industries and Commerce, where we had an exclusive chapter for women entrepreneurs. So what we did was we proposed exclusive women parks, incentives and concessions, exhibitions, foreign delegations for women entrepreneurs, so that they get a special focus and trust. I was very pleasantly surprised to see that the women entrepreneurs came in large numbers and took advantage of what we gave from the government. And then when we started meeting the various associations, I found there are several associations in Bangalore and also in Tier 2 cities like Mysore, Hubli Dharwad, Kalburgi, Udupi, Mangalore, Shimoga, Bellary. In so many places there were small and big women associations. And all of them were fending for themselves. They were trying to reach out to government, giving petitions, requesting for various benefits and all that. So then I thought, why not I put them all together on one single platform? And we started with a WhatsApp group during Invest Karnataka. We brought all the women entrepreneurs or associations on one platform. And then we started talking to each other, and we had our first workshop for women entrepreneurs in Invest Karnataka in 2016. That was I should say that was a wonderful initiative by us, and it got a tremendous response. More than 400 women entrepreneurs came out there. And then this WhatsApp group continued to work as an Ubuntu group for women entrepreneurs. Now, what is Ubuntu? The moment you Google Ubuntu, it will come as a Linux software. But further, if you Google and say Ubuntu, the story of Ubuntu, then it comes out that it's an African philosophy or a story of how the Africans believe in sharing, caring, and supporting each other. It says that how can I be happy if you are not happy? It's a very wonderful philosophy if you look at it. Because most of us are seeking our own happiness and we are happy with what happens to us. We don't bother if the other person is sad. But in the philosophy of Ubuntu, it says, I am happy only if you are happy. And together we shall be happy. It also talks of, I am because you are. And you are because we are. And we are because you all are. So it talks of a philosophy where a human being cannot be happy independently or individually. Human being will be happy only if the society is there, if people are around there, and people who are around you, they also have to be happy, and if they are not happy, you can't be happy. So the same spirit we have spread to the women entrepreneurs, that we shall share and care for each other. We shall have competition, but it should be a healthy competition, and we collaborate together for the success and well-being for the women entrepreneurs. And I think the world is big enough to give space to everybody. Everybody can be happy, everyone can be successful, everybody can do their own business, and in their own field, each one can prosper and be successful. So with this initiative, with this philosophy, we brought all the women associations together on a platform, because we can't deal with individual women entrepreneurs, so we brought the associations on a platform. Our intention is to support the associations to become strong, and these associations in turn can help support their own members. And we are 8 founder members. I have been chosen as the president of Ubuntu, and the 7 other members are women entrepreneurs who are already heading various associations or who were past presidents of various associations with various experience in industry. Now all the 8 of us got together and we registered this as a society, and our aim is to strengthen the individual women associations and their members. And we want to organize events, not charge much. We try to take the burden of calling all the top multinational companies who can provide business to women. So this WOW, Women of Worth, is a program which we have been doing from last 2-3 years in Karnataka, and we continue to do this as WOW Karnataka along with Ubuntu. and we have invited all women entrepreneurs all over India. A lot of participants are coming, and we have called Flipkart, Big Basket, we requested IKEA to be there, Asian Paints, the Aquis, the Spar, and the True Trade. Different companies are there. Foreign the Council Generals of various foreign trade organizations who are there in Karnataka, and about 5 to 6 of them are participating. So the whole purpose is how to enhance or scale up or upscale the business of women entrepreneurs. The women on their own will not be able to access all these companies nor access the country heads. So they would be coming and speaking and giving an opportunity to women how they can upscale their business and improve their business. And the networking will take place. Exhibition is also there. They will be exhibiting the products. So I think this is going to be a very good initiative and a good and a big platform for women entrepreneurs to meet and greet and spend a wonderful day together. Now, Women's Day is celebrated by different organizations in different ways. Women's Day, normally, when I attended earlier, women talk of the problems they face in life, the negative side of, the life of a woman, or they talk about the facilities government provides, and various other issues are discussed on Women's Day. Each organization has their own topics or successful women come and talk. But we decided that on Women's Day, we will work for the women entrepreneurs and ensure that their business prospects go up. So it's not only a forum where all the women entrepreneurs meet, all the associations meet and also interact with each other, but it's a forum where the women go back happily because they got a occasion or got a platform to scale up their business.